Well, friends, in today's video, we will be talking about actuarial science. You would have heard a lot about actuaries. And let me tell you, actuaries are actually supposed to be financial astrologers. They apply statistical methods and the knowledge of mathematical skills to determine the level of risk in a finance, insurance, or related products. Actuaries are those people who actually identify, analyze, and manage risk in a financial institution. And an actuary may actually specialize in health insurance, life insurance, property and casualty insurance, pension, retirement plans, etc. etc. Goes without saying, actuary is definitely a wonderful career option. So the question is, what should be done to become an actuary? Point number one, as you move from class 10 to class 11, you need to opt for PCM. That's for sure. Subsequently, you may pursue your graduation in mathematics, applied mathematics, statistics, even engineering, commerce. Or many universities also offer graduate degrees such as BSc in insurance or in actuarial sciences, and post graduation or MBA in actuarial sciences, diploma courses. It will be very interesting for you to know that there are no regular college or classes in this course of actuary. Only examinations are required to be given. Once you have done this graduation, the next step is to register with Institute of Actuaries of India IAI and appear for the common entrance test called ACET, Actuaries Common Entrance Test. You can appear for the entrance test even after your class 12th or while you are pursuing your undergraduate or postgraduate courses. This is a 100 marks test and it is conducted online. It, it's a pretty challenging test. It continues for 3 years and has sections in mathematics, even English, statistics, data interpretation, and logical reasoning. So you should be preparing on all these aspects to clear the Actuarial Common Entrance Test ACET. Once you are through this, then there are total 15 papers which are required to be cleared by you to become an actuary, a fellow in actuary. These are divided into four stages. Stage 1 is core technical, stage 2 is core application, stage 3 is specialist technical, and stage 4 is specialist application. Once you clear the first two stages, you are termed an associate with IAI. On clearing all four stages and acquiring 3 years of experience, you become a fellow. As a fellow, you can pursue further studies and research in this field. However, even if you clear 5 papers, it is enough for you to fetch a job as an actuary. And very interesting to know is that there is no specific time frame to clear these exams. You can take your own time. You would be surprised to know that as per IAI, as of now, there are only 9,182 students registered for this course, 160 associates, and only 344 fellows in actuary in India. Just think about the huge opportunity which you have to become an actuary, especially considering the fact that there is so much of a demand. And then I would definitely suggest that students should not get directly from class 12th into actuarial science education. They should pursue undergraduate, postgraduate course, get into some kind of a banking or a finance job, and simultaneously prepare themselves for being an actuary. And what kind of salaries? Very interesting to know that the salaries can start from the range of around 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupees per annum, and there is no upper limit. If you get into a very professional and a renowned and a very large company, the salary for you as an actuary can also range into crores. There are various colleges in India and abroad which offer graduation and post-graduation courses in actuarial sciences and prepare you for the IAI schedule of 15 papers. A list of that is given on the screen here. And if you want more information, please log on to myaglakadam.com and search for it. Becoming an actuary is a very lucrative proposal. I agree. But it is more important for a student to know, do I have all requisites to become an actuary? And how do you know that? Definitely, you would know that by going for a psychometric assessment. You need to have mathematical aptitude. You need to have statistical knowledge, statistical skills. You need to have a lot of patience. You need to have a lot of investigative ability to become an actuary. And do you have all that? Log into myaglakadam.com, get yourself a psychometric assessment done, and know for yourself if actuary is the right fitment for you as a career. Do not forget to like this channel, subscribe to this channel, and also share it with your friends. We will be coming with more details on more careers very soon. Stay tuned. Happy career to you.